In this video, I'll show you how you can add music to your YouTube videos with the YouTube Studio. So for this, you don't need any other editing software whatsoever. All you need is the YouTube Studio. So you want to sign into your studio and then click on videos right there. And then basically go into the details of the video that you want to add music to. So I'll just click on this one. And then next up, you want to click on the editor right there on this left-hand side menu. So click on editor. Then all you need to do next is click on get started. You then see your video timeline. You'll see this music icon. Click on this expand icon. Right there, you'll see audio. You want to click on that and it's going to send you over to the YouTube library. Okay, so all of this music on here is copyright free and you can use all of these songs in your video. So like I said, it's copyright free. It's selected by YouTube. So there's no danger of getting a copyright strike because it's licensed by YouTube and you can just use this for free. Right there you'll see YouTube has commissioned thousands of royalty-free songs for use in videos. You can add these songs to your video using the tool below. So all you need to do is find the song that you want to use. Let's say that I want to add this song right here. All you need to do is click on add to video and it will then show up right there. Now you can actually trim this as well if you want to. Let's say that you only want music. Right there you can do that. And that's pretty much how you can add music to your YouTube videos in the YouTube Studio. So if this video helps you out, leave a like on the video and then I'll see you in the next one. Have a good day.